Yes. Yeah, you applied for exam one.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I applied my exam on November 1.
Mm-hmm.
So I had a plan that I will be giving this on this Saturday, 14th.
Okay.
So I took a early time in the morning so that there will be no disturbance and the internet will be very good.
Okay.
That was the reason I took after Fajr.
Okay. Okay. Makes sense. Right
So
now,
basically, I
right now.
started at 6:30.
Okay, 6:30 morning.
6:15, like by the way, I logged in at 5:45 itself in the morning.
Okay, okay. You logged in at 45:45. Then,
Yeah, 6:30 morning. I logged in very early,
hmm,
and when I logged in, it was my they had given one link which I just click that link, we can get into the system,
okay,
and it
okay,
says login schedule exam, test my system, and there will be a begin exam. There will be
okay,
three options.
okay,
So I tested my system.
okay,
Mm, I went to begin my exam and started, and they sent me a link on my mobile.
okay,
Basically, that link, if I click, they'll ask for me to take your front photograph, left, right, and back details, and all those details, and started. So I started at 6:30 exactly.
mhm,
So it was a little bit tough. Initial, they give you 89 questions in the first phase,
mhm.
and after that, in the second phase, they gave the remaining 120 or 110 or 11 number of exams.
Okay,
After the first phase, they give a 10-minute break, optional break. If you want, you can take it. If not, you cannot.
okay.
And I did not opt it for that. I said I will continue.
This is the first lesson learned for all the persons that if your internet is weak, please take a time in which no one is awake, like Mr. Asif did. Take exam in the morning, early morning, in late night. That was a great choice, Mr. Asif. Then, but please tell about the, like, after doing 89 questions, did you take the 10-minute break, Mr. Asif? Did you take the 10-minute break after?
No, I did not.
Okay, you didn't
I
take the.
did not. I continued because I am not a person who takes break.
Okay, okay, that's a good
No,
thing.
it is optional. You can take
Yeah,
it
yeah,
or you
yeah,
cannot.
yeah, yeah. I know, I know.
It is an optional break. If you want, you can take it. If not, you can continue.
Okay,
And the
okay,
thing is, if you don't take the break also, you cannot come back and review that questions, 89 questions, what you have
okay,
given back.
okay. That's a different. Even if you don't take a break,
So
you
the
cannot re.
first session will be closed after your
Okay,
first
okay,
break.
okay,
If you
okay,
don't take also, if you take also.
okay, okay,
So you have
okay.
to review your questions, and if you say you cannot,
That, that's a big lesson learned.
that was the issue.
Even that
Actually,
even.
I thought if I don't take a break,
Mhm. Okay,
I
okay,
thought if I don't take a break, I could review it. I asked that proctor. They said no, you cannot take this review. Once it is closed, it is closed.
okay, okay, okay. Secondly, how were the questions? If you can categorize the questions, how many questions were from change control or change request?
Change. I was thinking it is not. When I was giving the exam, I was thinking it is not PMP. It was change control. Like the exam was
Okay,
every three questions. Yeah, after every three questions, there is a question for change request.
okay, okay. So basically, what were those questions like? If you can give some example, one or two.
Like, see if I can give an example. While we are closing the project, the stakeholder did not like said that he did not expect my expectations are not met. I did not ask this function.
Okay,
Then what do the project manager? So he has to review his requirements document or the quality plan or the scope.
okay, okay, okay,
They were more at the execution and at the closing stages. They were asking for the change requests.
okay, okay. Okay, makes
What are
sense.
the the expectations are not met, the future is added, and the CPI is under one, but still the client is insisting on the change. And
Okay,
probably once last week or last before week I had asked you that what is the first step in this change control. You had cleared me that we have to first document it,
okay,
stating that no, we have to first document this. That
okay,
stating that what are the processes, what are the steps to go for the change control. That one
okay,
video you
okay,
had explained very clearly.
okay, okay. That's a good thing. That
So
video
that
helped you
helped
a
me a
little.
lot. That flow
Okay,
chart, what you had told,
okay,
what we have to do, document it and analyze it. So 70 to 80 questions were on this change control.
come again. How many? 80 questions, right?
Almost 70, Mr. Amir. Almost
Oh,
70.
oh, oh. 70 to
Almost
80.
70 to 80 questions on change
70 to
control. Yes.
80 questions from change request. Okay, okay. What about critical path method and what about formulas? Critical path method and other things.
Critical path method, I had got only one. You're speaking about the schedule network
Yes,
diagram
yes,
or
yes, yes.
just the
Yeah.
critical path?
A schedule network diagram where you have to calculate float or maybe you have to calculate the
That
code. Yeah.
yeah, I had got one question wherein only five activities were there.
Okay.
So they had just asked me the float. There are only two paths in that. Both were all first path and the second path. Both were are critical.
Okay.
So I did not do any forward pass, back pass, anything. I just saw it is a critical path. I said zero.
Okay. Okay.
So
Good.
that was the
Good.
only question.
Okay. And
And on calculation part, there were four or five questions which are very simple.
like how about this simple? Can you explain? Can you explain?
Like
Yes.
yeah, like calculating the EAC.
Okay.
Yeah, like calculating the EAC, like PV. They had given the EAC. I had to go to calculate the CPA, and BSC was given. I had to calculate the just EAC. One question was there,
Okay.
and another one was like calculating the earned value from CPI or SPI. That was the only question I had got from this calculation part of it.
Okay. 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 Good. Then what about the questions from risk management? How many questions were from the risk management?
But all other questions were all situational questions.
Okay. So majority questions were situational questions.
Risk management, there were almost 20 25 questions were there.
So how were the questions? How basically they have arranged such
Majority
question?
were the situational questions.
Risk question were situational question.
Risk questions were very situational questions.
Okay.
Like when
Okay.
a person is they wanted to there is an opportunity where they hello, where is this one?
Yes. Yes. I'm listening to you. I cannot hear you. Yeah. Yes, Mr. Ashraf. I'm listening to you.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes. I can hear you. Yes, Mr. Ashraf.
Can you hear me, Mr. Amir?
Yes. Yes. I can hear you. I can hear you loud and clear.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like yeah, I'm just continuing.
Okay.
Like in the risk they were asking there is a opportunity for a company, but they have no money with them. How will they enhance their opportunity or share by getting into a joint venture or like sharing, like they have to transfer like insurance or like they were putting in a situation where the risk they have to mitigate it or they have to accept it. What will you do in this situation? They were asking this strategies like risk response strategies. High risk, what will you do when a new project is there? How do you identify risk? Like brainstorming you will do, all those ITTO questions were there,
Okay.
and all situational questions.
Okay.
There were no straightforward questions, and
Okay.
not
Okay. What
even five.
what about communication and stakeholder? I heard you get a lot of questions regarding communication and stakeholders. So what were that type of questions? How will you describe them?
Yes, if you if yeah, if you take yeah, if you if you are in a virtual organization, the people are from some they had mentioned some god-forsaken places. I did not even heard that. They
Okay.
had mentioned that Antarctica. I know they were sitting somewhere there. They were sitting somewhere there. How will you manage them? What is the communication methods? What you will be using them?
Okay.
And what are the communication technologies? What you will use? What are the communication methods? All the tools and techniques of the communication management plan. Most of the questions were from change control, communication, and stakeholder.
Change control, communication, and stakeholders. Okay. 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 So any about any other thing you would like to add if for all the people who will be preparing because
Yes.
what else they can do to prepare for exam in a better way? Anything that you would like to add? How they can prepare for exam in a better
If
way?
I suggest, I will suggest that they get
Mr. Asif, I cannot hear you. They get
see your question answer session. Listen to Mr. Am. Can you hear me?
yes, yes. Listen to my question answer session. Uh, anything addition to that? Apart from that, anything else? Thank you,
Apart
Fernando.
from that, apart from that, they have to do some simulations, and
Okay.
they have to go through this exams where PMP also is giving exams, and there are a lot of Udemy
Okay.
and everything.
How many mocks did you take? How many
Uh, one, five, almost 5 to 7 mocks I had taken.
from which from where?
I took many of the mocks from this Udemy. I took one Mr. Rai is there. Rai,
Yeah, Mr. Ray. Who's
Mr. Ray.
oh, you bought
I took his.
his
Yeah, I
simulator.
bought that.
Okay.
Yeah, I bought his simulator. And
Okay.
Mr. Manish is there.
Mr. Manish Vijay.
Yeah, Manish Vijay.
Okay.
I had
You bought his simulator also.
no, I had done his PMP dash of the 16 hours last Sunday, last Saturday and Sunday.
Okay.
He does
And
a 16 hours PMP course before the exams. 16
okay.
hours, 2 days.
So you pay for that basically.
Yeah, we pay for that, and he does this, and he gives simulator with wherein there are five um, mock-up exams.
Okay. Five mock-up exam. Acha. Anything else you would
मैं
like to
करता
add?
हूँ.
Else you would like to add to our users how they can prepare for exam? Anything else, Mr. Asif?
एनीथिंग एल्स ये रीटा मुल्के के ये भी है ना, ये जो
Rita process charts.
कैन यू हियर मी?
Yes, yes. Rita Mulki के process chart के questions. What else?
हाँ हाँ, सही बोल रहे बता रहे हैं.
Process chart. Okay. Rita के process chart. Good.
और
Okay.
रीटा मुल्के के प्रोसेस चार्ट्स और इसके जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स दिए हुए हैं ना रीटा मुल्के के, हाँ हाँ,
Okay. Okay. जो book के अंदर questions answer है the questions that are in the book.
और इसके भी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स जो दिए हुए हैं ना इसने, जो
वो
लास्ट में जो होगा हर क्वेश्चन
okay.
में.
Okay.
हाँ
Okay.
हाँ हाँ, वो भी वैसे ही है, ये मनीष के भी ऐसे ही है.
Okay, 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 Mr. Asif. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I understand that today is your weekend and you have given
बस
us.
उतना ही कह सकते हैं, बस उसके बाद मेहनत करना है.
Thank you, really thank you that you have given time on your weekend for all the viewers. And now is the time to celebrate, enjoy, and along the way, I hope that you succeed in your life with this PMP. You can really cash this PMP now. Thank you, Mr. Asif. Thank you very much.
Yeah, yeah, thank you. This will be uploaded or